Hello there. So in today's video I've come up to Harmby in Yorkshire, to Harmby Waterfall. It's a site that's been on my list for some time. We're already quite close to it, as you can hear. Hopefully be able to get some good shots into it. Now, like my last video at Wensleydale, this is only going to be a short video because it's only a roadside location, but it's a roadside location that I've been meaning to visit for quite some time. I first heard about this one during COVID, the pandemic. That's how long it's been since I've been thinking about coming here. So let's head down this path. Let's go and get to this waterfall. So the first shot of this waterfall I'm going to get here is this shot here, looking pretty much straight on at the actual waterfall as it cascades down the rocks there. Doesn't look like there's too many options with this one. Looks like that might be the best shot from this side. I'm going to go over to that side. I'm going to try and get a shot looking sideways on at it. So I think that might actually provide just a bit better perspective. You'll have the rocks contrasting with the water then. Now, as nice as this waterfall is, just down the way here, in the gorge, there's a bigger waterfall, and it looks a lot more impressive. Sadly, I can't see a single path down to it. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to try and shoot it from above, if there's any way to do that. So we'll come on to that in a minute. First of all, I'm going to get to that side of the waterfall and get my next shot. Not really much to talk about on this one. Polarizer taking the glare off the water, and it's a shot head on. It's a nice catch of the day. Okay, so I've just managed to take two more shots. Now, first one is down through these trees here. We've got these nice roots making a nice texture on the floor. Ordinarily with a waterfall I don't shoot much of the actual ground, but if I show you here, give you an idea by turning the camera around exactly what I'm looking at. As you can see, we've got these roots making a nice texture on the floor there, with the waterfall just in the background. Shooting that through the trees, the image itself is quite dark. So the darkness of the little bit of wood there, mixed with the waterfall, should make a nice image. A second shot, I just went to this side here and got a shot of the waterfall coming down, using the rocks just to blend in nicely with the waterfall there. Hopefully they will make for a good shot. Now, sadly, we have this branch sticking down here. That is actually interfering with the image a little bit. We also have a blue paper bag in the water, so I am going to have to, I'm possibly going to have to clone that out later. Either way, that's two great shots. I'm going to wander further up that way and see if there's any way to look down the gorge better at that waterfall, because I do want a shot of that one there. It's too good to miss up that. These shots are any good, here they come. Okay, so I absolutely hate what I'm having to do right now. I'm having to shoot all the way from up here through the trees. No real decent composition, but I do want a shot of that waterfall. This is basically a snapshot, but it is the best you can get up here. I'll just show you. As you can see, I've got my camera set up here on my L bracket, doing a portrait orientation, looking directly at the waterfall down there. Now I've zoomed in to just get the waterfall through the trees. As you can see on those trees, a bit of ivy in the tree going across there creates a nice frame. That's pretty much the best I can actually do with that shot. I am going to try and fly the drone down there. I'm going to try and take a shot with it looking more towards the waterfall, but I'm not sure how that's going to come out, and I'm not going to take too many risks with the drone because I can't afford to replace another drone. So I'm having to make the best with what I've got. So if this shot is any good, I will put it up now, and if I can get a decent shot with the drone, I'll put that up alongside it, and then I'll come back to you to end the video. So there we go, that's Harmby Waterfall. Now I am planning on visiting a couple more waterfalls local to me. Hopefully I'll get slightly longer videos on them. As you probably guessed, this is basically filling content because I've got a bit of a trip coming up. In a couple of weeks' time, I'm actually going to South Wales. I've got a bit of a waterfall excursion and hopefully some wild camping, which really all does depend on this weather, which at the moment is still cold, so fingers crossed on that one. In the meantime, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please like, share and give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you'll join me in the next one. Bye for now.